Hi guys, it's Sofia Tilbury. I'm so excited to share this soft, romantic bridal pillow talk look with you all. Today I'm using Charlotte's Magic Water Cream. It has a cooling, lightweight, gel-like texture. Charlotte's Invisible UV Flawless Poreless Primer is your secret weapon. It primes, protects, it hydrates. For the most kissable lips, it can only be Magic Lip Oil. To smooth, blur and illuminate, I'm starting with Hollywood Flawless Filter, applying it anywhere the light is going to catch the skin before blending in with the Magic Complexion brush. As for foundation, I really like the Beautiful Skin formula for bridal looks. Next, I'm using one of my all-time favourite products, Magic Vanish. I'm following that with the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, applying it everywhere I want to lift and blending upwards. For dreamy Pillow Talk eyes, I'm starting with the enhanced shade from the Pillow Talk Luxury palette, sweeping it over the entire lid as well as the lower lash line before going in with the smoke shade for added definition. Then I'm following with a wash of the prime shade in the centre of the lid and the corner of the eyes. This creates instant dimension. Finally, with just my finger, I'm applying the gorgeous pop shade in the centre for a subtle, sophisticated shimmer. For liner, I'm using the classic in brown to create a soft feline flick that really adds to the romance of this look. And following with the Hollywood Exaggerized Liner Duo on the waterline to really brighten and widen. Next comes lashes. Because we've kept the eyes super soft, I'm using the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara for just a hint of drama. On the brows, I'm keeping things simple with feather-light strokes using brow cheeks, brushing upwards and outwards. To keep them in place all day, Brow Fix is an essential. For contour, we want to keep it really natural and fresh looking, so I'm just applying a few dots of the Hollywood Contour Wand to the brow bone, cheekbones and jawline, before patting it in for a soft, sculpted effect. And guys, you know it has to be a Pillow Talk lip. I'm using the lip cheek to slightly overline the cupid's bow, before following with a swipe of the Matte Revolution lipstick in that iconic nude-pink shade in the centre. To achieve that blushing bride look, I'm using 2 dots of the Pillow Talk Beauty Blush Wand, gently blending it upwards for a radiant, lifted effect. I love Charlotte's Beauty Light Wand. I'm applying it to the high point of the cheekbones and blending for a candle lit effect. I'm applying the same Beauty Light Wand in the inner corner of the eyes and it looks gorgeous. I'm obsessed with Charlotte's Pumpgasm Gloss. It instantly makes your lips look fuller and even more kissable. I'm then setting the complexion with the AIRbrush Flawless Powder, and of course, I'm finishing with everyone's go-to AIRbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And there you have it, a soft, subtle but dreamy look for your big day. Lots of love.